Hey everyone, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And today I'm thrilled to dive into a topic that's not just relevant for military members and veterinarians, but for anyone that is interested in a world of finance, specifically how to get approved for a Navy Federal Credit Union business card. Now, if you've been wondering how to navigate this process, you are in the right place. Navy Federal is renowned for its fantastic services offerings for its members, especially when it comes to credit cards designed for small business owners or for your personal needs. But before we dive in, let me share a brief personal story that perfectly illustrates why I'm passionate about this topic. Now, a few years ago, I found myself facing a significant hurdle with my small business venture. I was in need of funding to expand, but as someone that was new to the business credit, it felt overwhelmed, which is why I want to make this class clear for you today. Why choose Navy Federal Credit Union? First, let's talk about why would you want to have the Navy Federal business card in the first place. Navy Federal offers competitive rates, generous credit limits, and numerous rewards that can be a game changer for all small business owners. They offer a range of credit cards tailored to various needs, whether you want cashback, travel rewards, or a straightforward credit building tool. Plus, Navy Federal is known for its great customer services, a vital aspect when dealing with financial institutions, especially if you are a first time card holder. They understand the unique challenges of military life and services, making it easier for you to handle your business finances. Now, we're going to talk about the eligibility requirements. So, how do you get approved? Let's break this down step by step. First, you must be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Members is primarily open to active duty and retired military personnel, as well as their family members. If you're already a member, you are in the right spot. Signing up is simple, but be prepared to provide your military identification or a family member that allows for membership. Second, you need to understand your credit score before applying. It's critical to have a solid understanding of your credit history and a credit score. Generally, a credit score of 700 and above is deemed desirable for business credit card application. But if your score is lower, don't freak out. You can still take steps to improve it by paying down existing debts or disputing inaccurate information that is listed on your credit profile. Third, you want to gather documentation. Preparation is the key. Now, you'll need to collect your financial documents, such as your income statements, a detailed business plan, and your personal financial information. Navy Federal will want to access not only your credit worthiness of your business, but also some aspects of your personal financial health, especially if you are new to business. The application process. Next, let's discuss the application process itself. It's more straightforward than you think. I know that sometimes when we are doing these applications, they can seem a bit overwhelming, but with this application process with Navy Federal, it's very simple and straightforward. Now, you can apply for the business credit card one or two ways. So you can visit the website or a Navy Federal branch. Once you're ready with your documents, you can choose to apply online via on the phone or the website, okay, in order to get started with your applications. Now, online applications typically are a lot faster than in person. Sometimes with these applications, you can get a instant approval whether or not you have been approved or not. Now, during the application process, you want to make sure that you are honest and thorough. They will ask you for your business information, including the name of your business, its legal structure, and revenue, if acceptable. Now, list any business partners or co applicants as their credit history matters as well. So you can be instantly approved if you are doing this application online. So after submitting your application, they may make an instant decision again whether or not you have been approved. Now sometimes the reviews can take a little bit longer depending on your documentations. So patience is the key. Now, if you are approved, it's time to maximize your new credit card. Using your card wisely, making timely payments, keep your credit utilization below 30%. Also, lavish the benefits offered, whether it's cashback offers on business purchases or travel points. Make sure you're getting the most of your credit card. It's also good to keep an eye on your credit score and business growth. This ensures that you stay eligible for potential credit limit increases and additional financial products. Now, with this credit card, they do have a credit limit up to $25,000 that you can be approved for. So look at all of these great factors. You do not need a perfect credit score in order to be approved for this credit card, but ideally you will want a 700. But I've seen some people that have been approved for this credit card with a 630 credit score and above. So there you have it. Getting approved for a Navy Federal business card might seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and preparation and understanding, you can navigate this process confidentially. Remember, your business is an extension of you. With the right tools like Navy Federal business card, you can unlock opportunities to thrive and grow. Now, here are some card details about the Navy Federal Go Biz Rewards credit card. They have an APR between 17.65% all the way up to 18%. There is a $0 annual fee. You can earn one times point per dollar spent. They also have featured and card benefits available as Visa or Master, no earnings caps, multiple card holders available, no foreign transaction fees, great for travel and expenses, and also zero liability protection for unauthorized charges. If I did not mention it, Navy Federal also pulls from Equifax and Experian or TransUnion. So if you do apply for this business credit card, whether or not you have been approved or not, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit profile. So, thank you for joining me today. If you found this video important or helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insight.